In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change map visibility in Strava app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the right settings and how to choose the level of map privacy that feels right for you, whether you're looking to protect a home location or simply keep your routes private. Start by opening the Strava app on your mobile device. Once you're on the main screen, head to your profile. You'll find the profile icon along the bottom of the app. This takes you to your personal page where you can access all your account settings. In the top corner of your profile, tap the settings icon. This is the gear-shaped button that opens your account and app preferences. From here, look for the option labeled Privacy Controls. This section is dedicated to how your activities are shared and who can see different parts of your data. It's where you manage visibility in a way that balances community and safety. Inside Privacy Controls, tap Map Visibility. This is the area that specifically controls how your activity maps display to others. You'll see three options here, and understanding each one will help you choose the best fit. Hide. Specific address lets you obscure the map around places that matter to you, like a home base or a regular meeting point. With this enabled, Strava hides a zone around the location so your exact start or finish point isn't revealed on shared maps. It's a practical way to keep sensitive spots private while still sharing the rest of your route. Hide start end focuses on the beginning and end of your activities. When you use this, the first and last portion of your route is hidden from the map others see. This is useful if you often start from the same place but want to keep the majority of your activity visible to friends or the community. Hide. All maps turns off map visibility altogether for your activities. People can still see that you completed an activity, but they won't see the route line at all. Choose this if you prefer maximum privacy without managing individual locations or segments. After you select the option that fits your needs, you're all set. Your choice will shape how your maps appear to others going forward. You can return to these settings anytime to adjust them as your preferences change. Taking a moment to fine-tune map visibility helps you enjoy sharing your progress while keeping your personal locations protected.